just getting into entrepreneurship. Don't come up with something original, because that's a bigger risk for you. Just like trading, you always have to be managing your risk. Well, if you have $1,000 and you're trying to be a millionaire someday, are you going to be an algorithmic trader and try to get 100% per year on that 1,000? I don't think that's the best way, dude. I think in order to algo trade, you have to have some cash, and you can grow cash. Yes. If you find an edge, of course, you can watch my other videos. I show everything there. Like I said, I want to make sure to cover this side too, because I always get people coming, how do I make a bunch of money? How do I make a bunch of money? Okay. But build something there's already demand for. So go around the internet, maybe build one of these. Look at what he built and how you can make it better. Go look at their reviews on the internet or Reddit and see what parts they can make better. The easiest way to do this, dude, and you could do this right now. We have the biggest shift in the world. Go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If you're going to the Google Play Store, go to the Apple Store first, get an iPhone, and then go to the App Store. But either way, go look at all those apps. There's millions of them. Okay, there's a shift right now, dude. And if I was a young cat, I would be cleaning up on this shift of AI. Everything that was done in the past, all those apps, all those SaaSes that you see, they can be rebuilt as an AI first solution to the problem. So really, everything that you're going to build is a solution to some sort of problem. So you can go see what problems have been solved in the App Store. Go look at the millions of apps. There's going to be an idea that comes across. Now, this is the big thing. Don't get married to any idea. You see how Levels is doing it? He's got 5 different apps over 5K a month. You see how Mark is doing it? He's got 5 different apps over $1K a month. Don't get married to anything. It's very hard, and I know it's easier said than done. It's like you put a lot of hard work into things, and you don't want to give up or you don't want to pivot, but just follow the data. Be a data dog, just like in algo trading. We're data dogs. We just follow the data. Launch fast. Try to launch in a day, 2 days, 3 days. Get some data back. Put a type form survey out there. See if people actually want it. Okay, so I have an idea that I want to build today. It's based off of everything you see on my screen right now, actually. I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how I'm going to build this out. And you're going to see everything today. So my idea is take everything on this screen. This is for algorithmic traders or traders in general, I suppose. But this data screen, you're going to have to be a little technical to set it up. So if you're a trader that wants to see who's about to get liquidated, or the past liquidations, or all the orders here, or you want to see smaller liquidations and things like that, well, you can't do that unless you're a coder. So there's actually been a lot of demand for all this data you see on my screen to be on a website. So my challenge today is to build that website, to build that little SaaS, essentially. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I believe code's a great equalizer. I believe if one of these videos, whether it's me building a trading bot, a backtest, a SaaS, whatever, if it encourages you to learn how to code, I've done my job. I truly believe if you learn to code, you'll set yourself free. You won't have to listen to anybody. You can build for the rest of your life. And yes, if you want to go get a job, you can get a job. That's fine. It's a little harder to get jobs these days. I understand that. I would recommend building for yourself. So let's go over to Lovable here, and I want to go ahead and build out a Lovable app. Lovable is an app that allows us to essentially, it's an AI that allows us to build these apps pretty easily. I'm going to show you everything here, so lock in. Let's go ahead here, and this is the Video Portal Manager. This was one of the first projects I built on Lovable just as a test. I'm going to go to the front page here, and I'm going to start from scratch here because I think that's more important. Let me go ahead and see what my Lovable credits are. This is not financial advice, but I want to give you all the ideas I have in my head. 0 out of 5 daily credits used. Okay, so that's great. Let's go ahead here, and what I want to do is I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to kill this actually. Okay, tape mini. I'm going to CD into this because I already have this data, and you probably have an edge of yourself, your own here that you can build something of. Maybe it's something you know. Maybe it's an industry you're in. Maybe you have a business already, or your family has a business, or you have a friend that has a business, and you see that it can be.
So don't waste it living someone else's life.
You see it could be better if this AI was built into it, or whatever solution you have to a problem. There are billions of, okay, not billions, Moondev. There's not billions of businesses, but there's millions of businesses out there. Go build something that's already working, but build it better. That's my biggest suggestion, is because that is a risk control. You're not taking a moonshot. Take a moonshot later once you have your cash flow set up. If you have some cash flow, then you can go build your creative ideas. Let's go ahead and say CD in there. I think I'm already in there. So I'm going to go ahead and just say code dot. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to go ahead and explain this to AI. And then we're going to go ahead and give her some ideas, essentially. So we're going to give her a little bit of a nudge, I guess. So let me go to this page here, terminal. And I've got all of these other data sources too, like this. I would love to get up there, token tracker. And I would love to get this up there as well to show the liquidations. But I want to get all of this up there. So